welcome back to channel Nkateko Waluka. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this easy peasy 3D bows. Now if you're new in this channel, feel free to sit down, enjoy, look at what we are using and go get some of these things, a wool, a crochet hook, and start doing this. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and let's go through what you need. So for this exercise you will need your beads or crystals with beads glue, and we are going to also need your pair of scissors, as you can't do without that. We will use a crochet hook 1.5 millimeter, and we are going to use a classic 4-ply knitting wool to form our bow. This is color olive. Also Mirage 4-ply wool. This is color sunset. Let's start. Okay, so we are starting with a chain of 26. Beginners, that's how we start our chain. We start like that, and that will be 1. So we count 2, 3, 4. We are done with our chain of 26. We want to bring it back together in a circle. So we go to the last chain, put the crochet hook through and pull the wool out like that, but still put it through the first chain. So we have our belt in a circle now. So we are going to chain 1 and make single stitches all around the belt. On your back loop, you put the crochet hook through and hook over the wool and pull it through like that. Let's do that again. On the back loop of our chain, we do that and pull through. In through the back loop like that, pull the working wool and through. So we're going to do this all around. When we were doing Barbie's fancy Christmas skirt, we were doing the very same pattern to start Barbie Christmas skirt. You can go and look at that tutorial as well, and it's tutorial 6A. Let's meet when we've completed this. We are at the end. We are just going to do one more there and bring this in a slip stitch. So there where we started, where we chained 1 in there, because you see the pattern of single stitches is starting there. So in between that first single stitch and the chain, we bring this together in a slip stitch like that. So we chain 1 and we still work our single stitches in our back loop all around and come and bring this together the same way. So we are going to do this repeatedly until we have 6 rows. This is our first row, the second row. Let's do this until we have 6 rows, and we show you how to complete our bow. We are at the end of our rows, 6 rows. So what we do, we are just going to cut that and pull it in like that. So we have this beautiful pattern. We also used it when we were doing our unisex scarf. You can go and check our unisex scarf. We were using the very same pattern. Yeah, so this is a lovely pattern to apply or to use for many things. And I'm just going to hide that tail. I'm going to put it like that and hide it within a slip stitch like that. So cut that one and still hide the back one. And let's meet when I show you how to start our beautiful, simple, easy bow. Yeah, so that's what we have. And we are just going to take a string from our sunset colored wool, and we are going to just put this in the center to make sure our bow is equal, and we pull it like that. So we just wrap around the wool nicely, make it beautiful. I'm sure boys and girls, you are enjoying this. This is awesome. You can make for yourself, you can make for your dolls. So we tie this at the back. With a knot like that. I hope you can see. I just want to repeat, do another second knot, and awesome. So now I'm going to just hide away those tails nicely and cut. I prefer going underneath, pull the crochet hook like that and hook that wool, that string, and hide it under like that. And do the same for that other one. And we cut. So we have our beautiful 3D bow. You can make it bigger depending on where you want to use it. You can make it bigger. I love it small like that. And now we are going to put our crystal there. We are going to use this, our bead. Take a glue, with glue, and put it there. That should be enough. And we take our crystal and put it there. So voila, there we have our simple 3D bow. Let's meet when we show you more beautiful stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and let's meet again.